Hi, I'm Stasha Harris, and I'm about to demonstrate the stitch braid technique. So first you want to section your client's hair, and you want to comb the product into the client's hair. I'm using Magic Fingers Shine and Jam. So you want to comb the hair in the direction you want it to go in, and immediately pass your index finger behind so it's nice and smooth. Then you use the tail of your comb to create a subsection. With that section, you're going to create 3 subsections to make the base. Just create the base of a box braid. Then you want to pinch a portion of the hair more than you need, and you're going to use your pinky finger to slice out a section, and you're going to then catch with your index finger. And it's a repeated movement. You do it left and right. In order to insert the hair, you place the hair over your index finger, insert your thumb through the loop, and you want to slide the hair underneath your index finger. Do not lift your finger. You just want to slide your hair under. And we're not going to save the strands for later. You're going to connect that strand in the front with the piece of hair that was left out in front of you. And the middle piece is going to connect with the middle section. So you want to pinch, slice, and catch. Mind you, if your client's hair is natural, you want to make sure you pull the hair to its stretched length before you slice and catch. To insert the hair, you slide it underneath your index finger. So pinch, slice, catch. And you can apply some product as you go, so that way it helps your natural hair to blend with the extensions better. So you slice and catch. You must pull the hair to the client's stretch length. And then you slice. My preferred method is using my pinky finger to slice. However, you can use your middle, index, thumb, whichever you're more comfortable with. And you can also have your client hold the hair and you just take out how much you need. And this is how I feather my hair. I just put it across the palm of my hand and I push forward. And if you look at the ends, you can see it's tapered. Then I stitch the back so it can be nice and close to avoid the gaps. Then you want to apply some mousse, spread it over the braid. Then you put a do-rag on the client's head and make sure you press down on the do-rag so it's nice and flat. Then you want to insert the ends into hot water so it can be nice and flexible. And there you have it, 4 stitch braids with little ones. So for more, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment.